Ever had a board of directors? Ever served on a board? Ever worked for a board as CEO? When you incorporate your startup, you're about to be all three at once. This is something no AI is going to tell you because no AI ever put together a board of directors. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. This is how you set up your first board. Right after incorporation, make yourself the entire board. Just you, the CEO. Same for the statutory officer roles, president, treasurer, and secretary. All you. Same for the bank account. One signer. That single person setup lets you fly through establishing your company bylaws and opening the corporate bank account. You can add directors and signers later as needed. Here's another pro tip. When you expand, one rule above all. Always have an odd number of directors. 1, 3, 5, or 9. An even number of board members can deadlock, and a deadlock can kill a startup. Keep the total small. Every seat you add slows decisions, and startups die from slow decisions. The CEO always sits on the board. If the CEO is also the majority shareholder, they're chairman. When a major investor comes in, they'll want a seat. Give it to them. Outside perspective is valuable. One more pro tip. Meet at least monthly. Weekly if the company's moving fast. Sometimes even more often if needed. And the most important rule of all, your board does not run the company day to day. Management by committee kills startups. The board has 4 jobs. Set broad corporate policy. Approve material financial moves. Approve C-suite hires. Evaluate the CEO and decide whether to keep them or replace them. That's it. No AI will tell you this because no AI has ever sat on a board of directors. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.